by b plus b by a is equal to 1. So a cube plus b cube. A square plus b square pi ab is equal to 1. So a square plus b square is equal to ab. Now we write a cube plus b cube as a cube a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. A plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. Here we get a square plus b square minus ab is equal to 0. So a plus b into 0 is equal to 0. A plus b plus c is equal to 0. We know if a plus b plus c is equal to 0, so a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to 3abc. So a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc is equal to 0.